Good day everyone. Today I just wanted to do a little unboxing of a product that I found at my local bike shop called the Stowaway. I was looking for bar end plugs for my mountain bike because one of mine got lost. I don't quite know. I had a crash and it must have fallen out then. But so I needed a new one, went to the bike shop, saw these and thought, you know what, this is a great idea because it's a handlebar end plug that combines safety with stow it and forget it storage. Now that is something that I'm finding very interesting because I'm always looking for a way to squirrel some little bits and pieces onto my bike so I don't have to think about it when I go out riding. It says here what's included in the box. Each box contains 2 stowaways, one for each end of the bar. Also included is a tube of hand cleaner or degreaser and a tube of dry chain lube. Now, in full disclosure, I have contacted the manufacturers of the Stowaway and I've asked them what degreaser and what chain lube they have. And this is the degreaser, waterless hand cleaner that they use. It's from a company called Goop. And this is the dry chain lube they've got from Makov. So both of these are what I would consider premium products, and they install them, they include them in this product with it. They also say here that they've stored other things in this Stowaway. They've stored some money, medications, energy gummies, tire plugs, band-aids, sanitary products, and latex gloves. Now the money bit is also a very good, big interest to me because it's a place where I can put in the 20 bucks and forget about it until I need it, you know, for that drink after the ride, or if I needed some gas to get to the next place or get home. So very handy, very easy place to store some money or valuables and forget about it until you need it, and then you have a little bit in your handlebar. So it also says here it fits most mountain bike and road bike handlebars. It's compatible with carbon and aluminum bars and a minimum handlebar internal diameter of 17 millimeters. Now I have looked at the bikes at the bike shop where I bought this, and all of them had handlebars that were 18 to 20 millimeters big. Most were 18. So this will fit any bar. It's also short enough that if you have a drop bar, it'll go into the bit where you hold on at the bottom. So shouldn't be an issue there either. So let's see inside. What do we have? We have some paperwork. Thank you for choosing the Stowaway. They tell us what's included. They mention the chain loop and the degreaser, and they say it's compatible with, as mentioned before, carbon, mountain bikes, road bikes. Everything is good. They also have a little bit of instructions for use, how to install it, how to use it, and then all the different parts that they have in there. And they have the diameter of it. It's 16 millimeters wide by 80 millimeters long. And if you have any questions, you can contact them. So, the most important bit, the bit that we're most interested in, is the stowaways. So as you can see here, these are 2 bar end plugs. Nothing weird, nothing strange. Just machined aluminum bar end plugs, very low profile so they won't stick out and get snagged. And you have 2 of them, one for each side. And inside of them, as you can see, there's this little tube. So if we open this up, inside this one we have dry chain lube. And if we open this one up, it's hand cleaner and degreaser. So this doesn't look like a lot, but this is enough chain lube to lube one chain at least once. Each and every little kink on your chain you can lube with this. It will do the job. And then once you're done lubing your chain and done fixing and cleaning your chain, you can clean your hands with this. So the degreaser is nice when you're riding on the trail so you don't have greasy hands and therefore slippery hands and have more control of your bike. But the really cool thing is the fact that you have this little tube here. Now that you've bought this, you can put whatever you want in here. You can put some money in here, which, as I mentioned before, is something I'm interested in. You can put some medication in here if you have, what do I know, high blood pressure or allergy medication. You can put stuff like that in there. You can put some sanitary products. So for the females amongst us, that is a great place to store a tampon and forget about it until you need it on the trail. Forgot to bring one with you. You got one in your stowaway. They also say you can put some tire plugs, band-aids, whatever else in here. So I just wanted to show you guys this little product. I think it's pretty nifty. The storage solution is something that I think makes this a unique buy. I paid 35 bucks for these. And for about the same money, you can get something that's just a bar end plug. So I thought this was a nice little add-on to my bicycle. So that's it for the Stowaway. I am going to go outside and install these on my bike, and I will let you know what I think of them.